Hi everybody, welcome to week 2, but actually week 1 of your senior leadership capstone class. So last week, due to technical difficulties on my end, I asked you to take a look at the syllabus and try to come in and introduce yourself to me. So I did meet with a few of you. So I took notes, Porter, Colby, and Logan. So 7 more of you should be setting up a time to meet with me or stopping by. So this week, I want you to start, or you will be starting to brainstorm ideas for your research project. And these are specifically projects related to community engagement. So let me, in a minute, go back to the assignment description. You've all been involved in service since you've been here, so you may already have some causes or issues that you are passionate about or interested in or have experience. So we're going to ask you to come up with 3 ideas. So just kind of brainstorming 3 basic topics, okay? Again, if you haven't met with me, try to stop by or send me an email and we can set up a specific time to meet. So I realized I have a hard copy of the book that I bought used on Amazon, and so my page numbers are a little bit different than the e-copy, so I've tried to put in the chapter versus the page numbers that are a little bit different on your e-copy. Okay, so the reading for this week is Mind Mapping Through Why These Techniques Work, and remember that's free from the library, and complete Journal 1. So for those of you that haven't done online classes before, but you were all here during COVID, so you probably have. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Okay, so your first journal assignment is to review the syllabus, which you all did. Identify 3 issues that you would like to see resolved. So community issues, the Citadel community, our region, our state, or your home community. That's 5 too. That's fine as well. For each issue, do a short paragraph. What is the issue? What do you think causes the issue? And what do you think are some potential solutions? So I've set everything up to be due by on Sunday at midnight. So somewhere earlier I said the due dates are set throughout the semester to hopefully help you move along and make good progress. But you're not going to get penalized if you turn it in Monday morning instead of Sunday night. I know you have a lot going on, so don't lose sleep to hit these assignments, but try to hit them so that you stay on track. Okay? So certainly, if you are further along, you can move forward, but let me just pull up. So I moved the assignment description to the top of the shell in Canvas. So what we want you to do to basically try to solve a problem in the community. Identify the causes, identify the options, recommend some action, and then describe the leadership approach. Like how would you lead, how would you be the change agent for this issue? Again, you can choose the Citadel, around the Citadel, or your home community. And again, this is the final paper. You're going to have an introduction, a background, options, actions, and leadership approach. So we will be working on different components of this throughout the semester. So you have a semester long to take care of this. There's a paper rubric. At the end, you'll also do a presentation. So week 1, we did look at the syllabus, try to come and see me. Week 3, you go ahead and move ahead. And so again, I've put in the assignments with timelines, but as you have more time, some weeks than others. So right now, hopefully you don't have a lot of assignments and a lot of projects. You can get in here and do some of these assignments. A lot of this work is going to be you doing research, gathering sources, combing through those, and writing the paper. So a lot of this is going to be on your own timeline. So just try to stick to these dates, and hopefully we'll move you through this semester and this project in a way that helps you manage the rest of your life. So please let me know if you have any questions. Stop by and see me if you haven't already, and then I will look forward to seeing your ideas.